Welcome back to the channel, folks. Noah's Ark Kentucky travelers. If you've been to the Ark, have you ever wondered what it would be like to walk the exterior ramp from the ground up to the door? Join us today as we go for a walk on that stunning. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure and give it a like. If you follow us and see other exciting videos around Northern Kentucky, be sure to subscribe. As always, this channel is journeying through history, faith, and